Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Ashlynn Ella from from Ever After High on Just to Impress. And let's get started with the video. I'm going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. So just the hair. I did this hair in this color EEAA61, no adjustments made. I did use the no bangs toggle, this one here. Then I used this wavy hair in the toggle half front without flowers, no adjustments made with the same color. Then I actually just did adjustments on the like flower crown, which I used here. It's FF8B8F, and these adjustments position the Y at 0.54, Z at 0.55. Rotate the X to 0.71 and scaled it down to 0.31. Then for the outfit itself, I used the witch corset here in this blue color. And then I used this pattern, the like shell pattern here. This one, I think I need to just save that. And then the stitching, I just used the same as the hair color, and then the rest I did this blue. Then for the skirt, I did use a Roblox item. I used this one in that same like shell pattern. The first one was I did the blue one, and then I did the shell, and then I did the gold for it. Then for the sleeves, I used this one in blue too for all of it. And then I used another sleeve, which is this one in this like pink color. Then I am going to get this earring in that gold color. Get this necklace too in that gold color. And then for the shoes, I used a VIP item. I used this one in this blue, BAEDFF in foil, and then I did like metallic, and I colored it all like the same blue. And then I also used this VIP item, which is this one without the bows, in like a light blue. And that is it really. You can change out the skirt if you don't have that Roblox item with maybe like the floral one that they have here, like this one here. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!